Lab number 9, the rotator cuff and deltoid musculature. First we have the anterior deltoid, which attaches proximally at the anterior clavicular head, and it inserts distally at the deltoid tuberosity of the humerus. Next is the middle deltoid, which attaches to the acromion process and spine of the scapula, and the distal attachment is the deltoid tuberosity also. Next is the posterior deltoid, which attaches at the spine of the scapula and attaches distally at the deltoid tuberosity. The anterior deltoid flexes and medially rotates the arm. The middle deltoid flexes and medially rotates the arm, and the posterior deltoid extends and laterally rotates the arm.
Okay, so the next ones are the supraspinatus, and the attachment to this, the proximal, is the supraspinous fossa of the scapula, and then the distal attachment is the superior aspect of the greater tubercle of the humerus. The actions of this is to stabilize the shoulder, help the deltoid to begin to abduct the arm at the shoulder. And then we have the infraspinatus, which is right there, as Andrew's showing you. And its proximal attachment is the infraspinous fossa of the scapula. And the distal attachment is the middle part of the greater tubercle of the humerus, as you can see right there. The actions are it laterally rotates the arm and helps to stabilize the shoulder. Just like so.
Okay, so the last of the muscles is the teres minor. Its proximal attachment is the middle part of the lateral border of the scapula. The distal attachment is the inferior aspect of the greater tubercle of humerus. Its actions is to laterally rotate the arm, help adduct the arm at the shoulder, and it helps stabilize the shoulder. The subscapularis you can't really point out because it's underneath the scapula, but its proximal attachments are the subscapular fossa of the scapula, and its distal attachment is a lesser tubercle of the humerus, and its actions is to medially rotate the arm.
Okay, so this exercise is going to work the anterior deltoid. So you could take dumbbells or a barbell or a plate. And so in our case, we have dumbbells. You're going to hold one dumbbell in each hand. You're going to start having your arms fully extended, going down to your thighs. And then you are going to, this is called an upright row, by the way. You are going to bring up both of the dumbbells so your arms are flexing like so, all the way up to about your chest. Back down, up, down, up, down. And you want to make sure that you're not going like too high up. It shouldn't be going above your shoulder right there. And as you can see, when I'm doing it, it works that anterior deltoid a lot because it's right in this region. So.
Okay, so this exercise is a lateral raise. This works the middle deltoid, which is located right here. So what you're gonna do is start with your feet about shoulder width apart, hands at your side, touching the side of your thighs. And what you're gonna do is raise your arms up to your side and then come down. So abduct the arms to about 90 degrees, if not a little bit more. Come back down. You can make this harder by adding more weight or using plates.
Alright, so this exercise is the push-up, and it's going to work the subscapularis. So what you're going to do is you're going to start in almost a plank position. Make sure your elbows stay to your side. You're going to go down to where your chin almost touches. Come back up, down, up. And to make it harder, you could add weight to your back.